So, hello guys. So, ito na naman tayo guys for today's update natin. Ayun ang mga alaga ko guys. Andun pa ang dalawa. So, yun pa sila, bisi-bisihan. Ito din Naku, very relaxing daw sila. Naglilinis sa katawan nila. So, yun. So, ito naman ako guys. I'm watching and then with Miming. Ming, you come here to Mimi. You come? No. You come. Oh, yun. Oh, guys, si Miming. Hala. Ming, bakit? Why? Huh? You don't like to, to join? Huh? See, where's Miming? Yun. So, yun, ito kami guys. Nag-relaxing time kami at this moment. Ayan, agay ko, oray ko, ayan si Miming. Ming, you see? Okay. Are you okay now? Huh? Are you okay? Okay. So, okay, Ming. Thank you, Ming. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching guys. Maraming salamat. Have a good day to all and everyone.